All right, what up, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here we are again in the Maxima. So right now we're gonna be going to Universal Nissan. We are going to be getting, actually, the one thing I said I was not gonna do to the car. We're gonna get transmission fluid. We already got the transmission filter because we are gonna change our transmission fluid, which is kind of a, hold up, let me pass this truck. All right, kind of risky. You gotta know exactly what you're doing. It has to be precise, but we're gonna do it ourselves. You know, we're gonna save the money. We don't have cash like that to be spending like $300-400 for Nissan to do it. So we're gonna learn. We're gonna do it ourselves. But I just had the best reaction to this car today. So I'm over here, whatever, like I'm behind the Lancer, and like through a little mirror, you can see like someone like peeking. You know, they're like going like this, you know, looking at the car and all this. And I think his girl was there, she was going like this too, whatever. And I can see that, and I'm like, all right, cool. You know, they're probably looking at the lights because it probably looks menacing or whatever. I pass them, you know, and I'm doing my regular thing. I like to hear my car pop and everything, so I'm like downshifting, upshifting, and all you hear is the car going pop, pop, bang, and all this. And I'm at a red light, and then I see him pull up, and he starts going like this. And, you know, I rolled out my window, whatever. So I rolled out my window, and I'm like, yo, what's going on? And he's like, yo, what car is that? And I'm like, yo, it's a Maxima. And he's like, oh, no shit, it's a Maxima? He's like, I told you, to his girl. He's like, I told you it was a Maxima, this and that. And he's like, yo, how much you got into it? And, like, I told him, whatever. And he asked me if the car was running fine. I told him, yeah, the car is running fine. Well, it actually is, except for, like, these little details. But to be honest, the car is running okay. So but yeah, I think that made my day. That was the best reaction I think I've had to date of this car, and it just like made me smile. So it's just like things like that, you know. The reason we build cars is, you know, honestly, for me, I don't know about other people, like for me, it's to inspire others to build their cars, other cars, or whatever. And then, you know, when they admire my build, it's like, it makes, you know, I'm doing it good, I'm doing something good, you know. As you can see, it's raining, unfortunately. I mean, the car's not that clean anyway, but yeah, we're heading on to Nissan right now, so I'm gonna catch you guys there. Anybody else like to go on the tunnels? Listen. I love tunnels. Or under bridges, under passway, or something like that. All right, chillax. I put a post that I got one of those new kicks or whatever on Instagram, and you guys were flipping out. But yeah, we are here. Universal Nissan. Yeah, I posted I got one of those cars, and you guys were tripping. Alright, so let's go trade this in for a GTR now. You know, that's what we came here for. Not to get parts, but to buy a GTR. It looks like it's snowing. But yeah. Alright, yes, I understand. Come on. Thank you. Yo, what if we swap like a battery in this car? Make this thing electric. Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Backup camera coming in handy. Alright. Let's go get our stuff. Damn, my parking's on point. Alright, let's go. But see if they got our stuff. We came yesterday and they didn't have it, so let's see if they got it this time. Damn, she's looking pretty. Oh no, I love this weather when it's raining and all that, but we got everything in the box. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Someone dropped their mask. Oh well. Let's show these kids what the car can do. I don't know why I'm like this. It's so funny. This is the CVT transmission filter. This is the filter. There's like, you know how your engine has an oil filter? Well, this has a CVT transmission filter, which is this one. And, you know, we hook it up, change it, whatever. There's a brand new one. So if the other one is clogged, you know, there's a new one. So hopefully the CVT will last now. and not break or whine or anything, hopefully. Oh damn, look, they went in there. Like, they went in there. Alright, you guys want to see? Damn, that's crazy. Alright, look. That's no bueno. I'm gonna show you guys, but we have a screw, literally, like, it's like a freaking 13 mil. I don't even know how it got in my tire, and it's in my tire, so you can hear it go plop, 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 plop. This is just great. We got some air in the tire. Thankfully, we made it. I thought it was the axle, but it's not. It is that. You guys see the culprit? All right, so this is what we're doing. We're actually, you guys see this right here? We took the wheel off. We're gonna put that one on. Got my buddy help me out with the jack. And I think we might even try to get put in that puncture thing first, and then see if it works. Let's see if it works. But shout out to this dude right here. He's the one that's helping me out do this thing. So unfortunate, guys, but we got this. All right, quick update. This is the screw that was in there, and that's where it was. But the weird thing is, you don't hear the psss, you don't hear air, you don't hear anything. And I think it's because it was like on the tread, so thank God I had tread on it. So I think we're good. We don't gotta put anything. I think we're just gonna put the wheel back. If by the end of the night we're empty, then I guess we'll change it out for that one. Shout out to Sergio for helping me out, to be honest. I gotta call him again so he can put everything away. But oh, by the way, guys, I think I'm gonna sell these. Look, the thread or the thread, whatever you want to call it, on this is like perfect. These tires are new. I only had them for a couple months before I got these, so they're just a little bit dirty. But these are my OEM 19s. If you guys are interested, let me know. We might be able to work something out. But I think I am gonna let these go. I just don't want them sitting around, but they're good. Hasn't had any flats or anything that I know of. So these are good. If you guys want them, message me. If you guys know anyone who wants these, let me know. Tell them to message me or whatever. I'll go clean them and I'm gonna show you guys. So here we are, waking up this morning. I'm about to wash the car, you know, clean it, have it looking nice, and we have a flat tire. So honestly, let's just go. Let's just go. We're gonna go change it real quick. We're just gonna leave it here, guys, to be continued. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna change the oil and transmission. But remember, if you guys like the content so far, consider subscribing or giving the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.